Retail. All right, let's talk about a little bit about retail. So you got shopping centers, strip malls. Retails are business fronts. Strip centers are smaller retail properties that may or may not contain anchor tenants. An anchor tenant is simply a large retail tenant which usually serves to draw customers into the property. Examples of anchor tenants are Walmart, Publix, Home Depot, Lowe's, all these bigger companies, Best Buy. Strip centers typically contain a mix of small retail stores like Chinese restaurants, dry cleaners, nail salons, and so on. So they'll have the anchor tenant where everybody's traveling to go to because they have some necessity, and then other businesses will rent the units beside them. Then we have community retail center. Community retail centers are normally in the range between 150,000 and 350,000 square feet. Multiple anchors occupy community centers such as grocery stores and drug stores. Additionally, it is common to find one or more restaurants located in a community retail center. A power center. A power center generally has several smaller inline retail stores, but is distinguished by the presence of a few major box retailers, such as Walmart, Lowe's, Staples, Best Buy, etc. Each big box retailer usually occupies between 30,000 and 200,000 square feet. And these retail centers typically contain several out parcels. Regional malls range between 400,000 and 2 million square feet and generally have a handful of anchor tenants such as department stores or big box retailers like Barnes and Noble or Best Buy. Out parcel, most large retailer centers contain one or more out parcels, which are parcels of land set aside for individual tenants such as fast food restaurants or banks. So overall, in the retail industry, you can see that when we're talking about retail properties, all of these are business fronts. All these are your stores, your convenience places. They provide a service for you as a client. Unlike doing in the office space where that's where people are running businesses out of. I don't want you to get those confused because office space doesn't really have a product to sell. Instead, it's just an operation. So think about like office space. It would be the office for a construction company, or it'd be an office space for a lawyer. They're providing a service, but not really products. Retail is products, right? Food, Best Buy, your electronics, etc.